Okay, in this lesson, we discussed about a new type of variable list. And you can find the code from this link, GitHub link. I also put that link in my YouTube channel. List is a new type of the variables, and you can put many numbers into a list. And we run that code. I will show you how that works. So here we assign that list into variable A. You can run this and you see that variable A is a list now. And basically you need to have a bracket, have many numbers, then assign that into a list. And we run that, we print that A, you can see that this is the list value. And if you want to change that one element of the list, you can use that index. So A3 means that the fourth element of the list, because in this list, when you do an index, the index actually starts from 0, not from 1. So here is the A0. This is A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So you want to change A3, so you change this element. Run that, you see that this element is plus 1. And we run this one is the fifth element. So change this element times 2. See that result changed. And we can add the new element into list using the append. So that a.append 8 means that we add the new element 8 into this list. We run that, we see that element 8 is added into the list. We can remove that one element. Remove this one is the value of 7. So when you do this a.remove, it means remove the first element with the value of 7. So it will remove this one. If we run that, you can see that 7 is removed. If we want to remove it by the index, you need to use the pop. So if we want to remove that, the fifth element here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we'll remove this one, we run that dot pop, so that element was removed. And you can also do the sort. So you can sort that the element from lower to higher, or from the higher to lower. You need to add another argument. But here we just default. Basically, we sort that from lower to higher. We run this and we see that sorted, but basically it was sorted. We can reverse the list, so that we run that. You see that is from the values from higher to lower. And we can also have a list with the string as element. Here we can have the B has 2 elements. One is fish, one is dog. And we run that. C equals A plus B. You can see that C has just combined these two lists. And you can also see that a list can have a different type of data. You can have integers. You can also have the strings. And the range function just generates the first n elements start from 0. So range 10 means from 0 to 9, because it starts from 0, then the 10 elements is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can run that, and you see that we have this new list. That is a simple way to just generate a sequence. Okay, that's today's lesson. Thank you.